So friends, we'll see the next example. So we saw how to multiply 2 and 2 digit number using the general multiplication concept. So then we saw previously, so when the units place or the tens place is same, how to make the working easier. So here we have still more a revised concept, so where without multiplying you can get the answer. So we'll see how to get the answers easily as soon as you see the numbers. So we saw how to find square of a number ending with 5. Say suppose you are finding square of 65. So it means 65 into 65. Here what is the pattern? The tens place is same and the unit place when added it is 10. And how did we find square of 65? So for a number ending with 5, so we'll write 25 as the last two numbers. And what are the remaining numbers? So we multiplied this 6. So with its following number. So square of 65 is 6 multiplied with this following number, that is 7. So 6 into 7 and write 25. So product square of 65 is 42, 25. If suppose you are finding, say here 65 square is, so product of 5 and 5, 25, and 6 is multiplied with its following number. So product is 42, 25. So if it is 85, what will be the square? So 5 into 5, 25. And 8 is multiplied with its following number. 8 into 9, 72. So square of 85, that is 85 and 85. So we get a 72, 25. So this follows the same pattern. The tens place is same and the unit place when added it is 1. So we can use this concept for any numbers which follows this pattern. Say for example, instead of 5, you have 2 and 8. It means, so here the pattern is the unit place when added it is 10 and the tens place is same. So please note that, so you can't use this method for other numbers where tens place is same or units place is same. So when the tens place is same and the unit place when added it is 10, we can follow the same pattern which we did for square of a number ending with 5. So 5 into 5 we wrote 25. Here 2 into 8 you write 16. And what will be the other numbers? 8 is multiplied with its following number. So 8 into 9, 72. So 72, 16 is the product of 82 and 88. So you can follow this pattern for any 2 and 2 digit numbers where the tens place is same and the unit place when added it is 10. So please remember, don't try this for other numbers where unit place sum is not 10. Say suppose you are multiplying 73 and 77. The tens place is same. The unit place when added it is 10. So we can use this concept. So when the tens place added is 10. So what is product of 3 and 7? 21. 7 into its following number. 7 into 8, 56. So without any paperwork, we can get the answer for this type of question. And here also, and this type of questions also, will be getting in averages where product first term and last term is asked. So if the pattern is in this, if the numbers are in this pattern, so just seeing the numbers, you can write the answer. Now can you tell me what is product of 44 and 46? The same pattern you have, tens place same, ones place when you add it is 10. So product is 4 into 6, 24. 4 into its following number, 4 into 5, 20. So just within seconds you can get the answer when the numbers are in this pattern. So we'll work out a few examples under this pattern. So now we'll see the questions. The question is, find the product of 43 and 47. And the second question is, find the product of 86 and 84. So now without me saying, you would have got the answer within seconds. So just please pause the video and get the answers. So now we'll check with the answers. And what is the answer for the first question? So no need to do any paperwork. 43 into 47. So tens place same. Unit place when added it is 1. So what's the product? 7 into 3, 21. 4 into 5, 20. So 20, 21 is the answer. So as it is following the same pattern, that is unit place when added it is 10. So 21. 4 into 5, 20. So 20, 21 is the answer. Now what is the answer for the second question? 86 into 84. So 6 and 4 it is 24. 8 into its following number. 8 into 9, 72. So I'll give you a few more questions to work out. So what is product of 32 and 38? So 2 and 8 added 10, we have the same tens place. So the answer is 2 into 8, 16. 3 into 4, 12. So 12, 16 is the answer. So now you can see without any paperwork, you can get the answer. So what will be product of 92 and 98? So 2 and 8, 16. 9 into its following number, 9 into 10. So 90, 16 is the answer. And we'll see the next example. So now we'll see a question and how to work out this question using the previous concepts which we have discussed. So the question is, average of 5 consecutive numbers is 76. Find the product of the first and the last numbers. So here, average of 5 numbers is given and we are asked to find the product of first and last numbers. So can you find the answer? So using the previous techniques which we have discussed earlier, so try to get the answer and then we'll discuss the question. So now we'll see the working. So in this question, average of 5 consecutive numbers is 76. So in the lesson averages, so we'll be seeing, so what is the average? Middle number or the middle term. Middle number in case of even number of terms and middle term in case of odd number of terms will be the average. So having that concept, that is average of 5 terms, 5 numbers. So you just draw 5 lines. So when they discuss about 4 numbers for average, just draw 4 lines, immediately you will get the answer. So here average of 5 numbers is given as 76. And we know that the middle term, here we have 5 terms, that is odd number of terms. The middle term will be the average. So middle number, so we get as 76. So average will be the middle term. So place the average in the middle. Now we are asked to find product of first and last term. So having this 76 as the middle term, so we are discussing about consecutive numbers, not even or odd numbers. So what will be the first number? So if this is 76, so this number will be 75. And the first number is 74. And what will be the last number? So this is 77 and the last number is 78. So now we are asked to find product of the first and the last number. And how we can find this product? 74 and 78. So we have discussed this pattern earlier. So what is the pattern here? The tens place is same. So instead of using general multiplication or conventional method, so we can use the shortcut where here tens place is same. And now to find the product. So 8 into 4 it is 32. Write 2 and have this 3 carry over. And instead of multiplying 7 and 8 and 7 and 4, we can add and multiply. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 into 7 is 84. 84 plus 3 is 87. So write this 7 and have this 8 carried over. And product of 7 and 7, that is 7 square 49. So add 8 with 49, that is 57. So product of 74 and 78, that is product of the first and the last number where the average of the numbers 76 is given, product is 5772. So now I have told you in averages we will be getting this type of question where the tens place will be same. So because if average is given, all the numbers tens place will be the same. And now if you are asked to find product of first and middle term, what will be the answer? So first and last term, we found the product for 74 and 78. Now if they ask what is the product of first and third term, so that is the T1 is the first term, T3 is the third term. So if this product is asked, so knowing that average is the middle term, so we have placed the average in the middle. So first term, first number is 74 and the middle number, that's the third number, is 76. So what is product of 74 and 76? And now what is the pattern here? The unit place when you add it is 10. The tens place is same. And now without multiplying we can get the answer. 4 into 6, 24. 7 is multiplied with its following number. 7 into 8, 56. So product of the first number and the middle number, or here they have mentioned as third number. So first and third number is 56, 24. We'll see the next example.